Welcome back, everybody. Today we have menu 15 Mexican style chicken stew for our MRE review. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's on the inside. I'd like to take a moment and thank all of my channel members and my patrons for allowing me to purchase things like this. And if you want to contribute, you can see the links below. But this is the contents. As always, I like to use the bag as a little garbage bag. And first and foremost, we have our Mexican style chicken stew right here. Nice little packet. I'm going to go ahead and get the heater. And our secondary dish is mixed fruit. Okay, so that's good. That doesn't need to be heated up. And we have cheese spread with jalapenos. I'm going to heat that up as well, so it's a nice, good consistency. We're going to open up the heater right here. Then I'm going to insert the main course, just like so. And then this time I'm going to leave this out. I'm going to still heat it up, but I'm not going to put it inside the little heater. So we got to make sure that we do not fill above the fill line. Being very careful to add just enough water. There we go. I'm going to close it. And we have this little package right here that we can open up and put the meal in. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think there's a way to fold this down so it kind of stands up. So how cool is that? Bam. So let's stick this right there. That should heat up pretty nice. Alright, so now we have our mixed fruit bag. And let me go ahead and get that all set up right here. Oh, I forgot to add our cheese. There you go, Mr. Cheese. Make sure no food's right here. Oh yeah. Nice little fruit cocktail right here. That's some good stuff. Alright, and then right here we have some cheese-filled pretzels, sort of like those, oh, I forget what they're called. You get them at gas stations a lot. They're real popular to take out to the field with you. There's those. Then we have a chocolate flavor First Strike nutritious energy bar. I am not a big fan of these. I just did not like them. But I'm going to review it for you guys. I'm going to let y'all know how it tastes. Ooh, that one is pretty solid. We have our little accessory pouch right here. Let's see what we have. We got some gum. And we have a cranberry grape, which we'll be using in our water right here. We have a moist towelette, which is always great for cleaning up. Ooh. We have some crushed red pepper, which I might use this in the main course meal. We have some iodized salt. Usually I don't have to add salt. These are usually have quite a bit of salt in them, or some sodium. And then toilet paper, which I've never actually had to use before, so I just use it to wipe stuff down. Let's see, we have a chocolate hazelnut protein drink powder, which protein does not agree with me, so I can't really, unfortunately, do a review for that, but maybe one day I will mix some up for y'all. And then, of course, we have our spoon. Last but not least, our crackers. Go ahead and open these up. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever taken part of the famous cracker challenge. If you don't know what I'm talking about, leave a comment below and maybe someone will explain it to you. It's quite entertaining. Alright, so first and foremost, I'm going to give this fruit cocktail a little taste and see how it is. It's the same, pretty much the same thing you'd get at the grocery store. Tastes exactly the same. Make sure my heater's going. It's not. I'll be right back. I gotta pour some water out of it. Alright, I'm back. I had to make some adjustments to the MRE heater, but it should be heated up by now. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what the chicken stew looks like. Just gonna wipe this off so I don't get any of those chemicals inside the actual food that I'm gonna eat. Put that right up there. Alright, already it's got a great aroma to it. And let's see. I'm gonna add some of this cheese. Actually, I'm gonna put the cheese right in here, and I'm gonna let it sit for a few moments while I tell you guys about the cocktail, the cheese pretzels, and then the protein bar. So here's the cheese pretzels. Like I said, it's very much the same thing that you would get from a gas station. Yep, definitely had these before in the field. Taste very identical. These are great. They got pretty good salt content. You can really taste a smoked cheddar cheese. It's a good matching with the pretzel itself. Now this is a protein bar. I can't really do protein, but it smells like a good milk chocolate. Like a hot cocoa. And it tastes like a crunch bar, basically. Yeah. That's the closest thing I can compare it to. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. Nope. I need the cheese spread. Oh, that's hot. That is hot. Okay. Let's get this cheese spread. Oh, that heated up quick. Alright, let's get this cheese spread on here. Add a little bit of flavor to this chicken stew. Alright. Let's get this kind of mixed up. It smells phenomenal. And I can see little bits of corn in there, chicken, a lot of spices, some onions, some peppers. Alright, let's try this out. Look at that. 100% would recommend. The taste of the chicken is great. It's mixed very well with its spices. I can taste the individual bell peppers, like the green peppers that are in there, as well as the jalapeno and the cheese spread. The cheddar cheese, great as always. It's got a little bit of a spice to it because of the cheese with the jalapenos. I guarantee if you didn't put the cheese spread in there, there really wouldn't be much of a spice, but the flavor still would be there. But all in all, phenomenal MRE. Highly recommend it. Even the corn has its own flavor to it. Now I don't know how this would taste, but these crackers are incredibly dry. What's interesting, it's kind of a hallmark towards the old style hardtack. Now I have some hardtack here that I can show you. I baked this up for another video about the Spanish-American War, so you'll have to check that one out if you're interested in that. Highly recommend. Once again, oh, I forgot this for the outro. The beverage powder. I don't know why. I can never get these things. There we go. If you like these little cups that I've got, I sell them online. There's a link in the description, as well as probably on the screen right now. That's taking a while. But these are 12-ounce camping cups. They have the Madras Arsenal logo on them, and you can pick them up pretty cheap. But pretty cool way to support the channel, and you get something in return. So definitely check them out. Comes out as a nice color. Delicious as always. Alright guys, well I appreciate you watching. This is menu 15, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment below with what you want to see next. I've got more MRE videos. I got a whole playlist, so you can watch those, check them out, and comment below and hit the like button, the notification bell, and please subscribe. I appreciate it, and I will see y'all in the next video.